Here we go. We have a question, Kadane's algorithm. So we have given an integer array ARR. We need to find the contiguous subarray containing at least one number that has the maximum sum, and we need to return the sum. So in this first example, the maximum subarray is 9. If we include the first three elements, so the answer is 6. Then if we include this minus 2, so it will become 6 minus 2 4. Then if I include this 5, so it will give us the maximum sum. So the answer is 9 in this case. So let's build the approach. Before this, let me tell you that this Kadane algorithm is very popular array algorithm and it is very easy to implement. So in this, we need to first need to find our maximum answer. So first let us create answer with minus infinity and a variable current. Initially, its value is 0. So we first have this element minus 1. So in the current element, I will include the current element every time. So now it is 1. So we need to find the maximum answer. So I will update my answer if this current variable is greater than answer. So now our answer contains 1. Next we have 2. So I will include this element into current variable. Its value is 3. So we also need to update our answer variable if our current variable is greater, which means till the till this current index we have a value which is greater than previous value. So in this case the answer is 3 now. Next we have 3. So include this 3 element into current. So it will give us 6. Next we need to update our answer. Answer is 6. Next we have minus 2. So we add this element into current variable. So now the value is 4. So our answer contains the maximum value already. So we don't need to update our answer variable. Next we have 5. So I will include the 5 element. It is 9. So this is the greater element. So I will update my answer. So now we don't have any element, and at the end we will return our answer. So that's about the first example. Let's tackle the second example. Current value is 0 and answer value is minus infinity. We first have this value, so it is minus 1. Now we have minus infinity, so it is smaller than current value, so answer is minus 1. So here we can see till now we have maximum, we have minimum, we have negative values. Till now we have negative values. So we will just get rid of this value and we reset our current variable. So we reset our current variable to 0 and we need to start over with a positive value. Next we have this current value. So I will add this value and also need to update our answer variable. In this case, we want maximum answer. So minus 1 is greater than minus 2. So we don't need to update this. Next we have minus 3. So we first need to reset this value. Next we have minus 3. So update with minus 3 and answer contains minus 1 already. Next, uh, so we have a negative value, so we need to reset our variable. Our value contains 0 now. So we have minus 5. So add this value, we have minus 5. But on answer we need maximum, So I will compare my already contains answer value with current value and fill this value into answer. So answer contains maximum value. In this case, answer already has the maximum value. We don't need to update this. In this case, the answer is -1, as you can see here. Next, we have 5, 4, 7. So our current is 0 and answer is minus infinity. Next we have 5. Add this value into current and update your answer. Answer contains 5 because till now we have a value, we have a subarray whose sum is 5. Next we have 4. So add this value into current and we need to also update our answer. Answer contains 9. Next we have 7. So plus 7, I think it is 16. So our answer contains 16 now because current value is greater. So in this example, we have answer as 16. So that's about the approach. We only need to reset our current variable when its value is negative and we reset its value to 0. So let's code this. So in this we have long, so we need to uh, take a data type long. We have a variable named current sum and a maximum sum. Maximum sum is our answer. We first need to initialize with minus infinity. We iterate with every value and add this value into current sum. If this current sum is greater than maximum value, then we need to update our maximum answer. That's about it. And if our current sum is goes to negative, then we need to reset our current sum. That's about it. It's a simple algorithm, and at the end we need to return our maximum answer. So let's submit this. So let's talk about time and space complexity. In this case, space is constant and time complexity is order of n. Code is given in the description box. If you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and thank you all for watching.